a chartin agus fáilte adh go clúichimeid fer bheith sin dú dul chluiche bic an Red Dead Redemption I gá. Thuairs mí ag táiseach na bliana go bí deanú caran chemichin ar san gach míos mar go big. Roinn sin míos na X-Men fer a chartram gomód. Agus a cheme ar san míos fá an drasta go rilí an am seo an bhíos sé Red Dead Redemption I gá. Táú go bí Stornoway Quebec, Jallah chuig úd na Gaelic hana Western dul ir chuairst ag táiseach trá bhí an Egyptlín agus mar sin thuirna go bigh na Joe am ar son bican I gheime Western I chluich. Ha mí a chiad Red Dead Redemption a chluich? Cha níl mí u díomh íte the Red Dead Redemption I gá a chluich. So tá sé sin a dúa agus hí sin mar a héit gain. Ma has fa caiad cún fisrum san chat sy'n gyf eisiau ma ha fwy mi gemme rá eisiau nio rá art ma misio rá eisiau nio rá art agus na rutan afhisteach mar sin a cha mi smyrn sin gyfeir a taw mawn táiseach sé upper lá táiseach mar a charas agus seo sin me ha Red Dead Redemption let's see na hacking anna hea ha mi ar dúirt na chláinte miin Can mi sin, ha mis mynd I gweld y hwlytynio Hir jodyd yn y haint ymwneud Ach, hi sy'n mar a heich y gain Chart y chiet Red Dead Redemption Room Glan Ha mis mynd I gyda parst fod I sin Yn character je Ian Marston So Pia each noch eichgin I bhfuil an nuair ceall acham I sé game seo leis na chéil u a clúiche mar an character ann. Ma sib féin iad seo a chluich nuair a chiad ar a chluich chun fisrum sa chat mios na comments ma sib a caiad seo ar YouTube Javer beach gan iad an de chort edif Mir chluin sin go game ar le fata I ha seo so chan neomí an dúil gan cruisin críochaid ar a stream an a mías ach chi sin. By 1899, the age of outlaws and gunslingers was at an end. America was becoming a land of laws. Even the West had mostly been tamed. A few gangs still roamed, but they were being hunted down and destroyed. Okay. So cad Chiavi Reine mar Derne aha van Chuil. Martin va cymryd a hasio Martin va in cart taing chomoders an fi narcutiach so we can have you again you can all let me know if the sound is too high or if I'm too high if the sound is too low I get learned also
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay, Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying.
It's
weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
His me Stefan na settings an a grisha. Can you hear son fiachin rishin yanu eccles gunjeja shachet ir a cutscene mar go buch. Mi doch is gan noch gat an an adkin le solas coulter. Capital a herd.
Bring him in here!
Just call her it alone.
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Joe Vuyan.
Davy's dead.
There was
Ivy.
nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them.
And this?
Just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it gladly. But we're gonna ride out and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right,
Hey.
we've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. Bye. We
Shush,
need you strong.
Right. Mi dal iach in ri. They can solace ein i'r hwys. Har mi farach yn marg fel mi caet Jane episode Game of Thrones was shit va girach o Cian al hen darach. Sin mar ha seo farach yn. Ag sais gyfel e'r sons gybi a farach yn caran darach. Okay, in the last day on him. Doing graphics. Hurling a big Fiction adage mahana Risden Shaw fat down. Agus Maril Ecomasach good brightness of Cursus and she is. Okay. Hanich me agus Haniel Shiv a Shaw or son Kayat Arms at Ultra menus. So two mission yarn.
Okay. we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days
Sin
or
fara
more like
fara
this now.
sin mara
Oh,
fa
it
mi
has to
héin
blow
fara
over
gin síú
soon.
fo glasfu je. Farci go má callachtaí caiiseach Empire Strikes Back.
Bridge coming up. Take it easy. Ride next to me, son. Don't want to lose you.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start.
Táiseach. A mi fiochan rí tainach mar a háisí Red Dead chu chu ná mar seo. I'm spending well kind of
Wait, is that someone coming towards us?
Ist go seo.
You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them Calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Always.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere too.
Mission dach is
Move up, Arthur.
could be
I'll
better
cover the rear.
Gemma and a seo. Okay, good.
In front of you.
Trailing mission.
Okay, go.
Set the pace at the start.
You sure about this, Micah?
Mr. Morgan, I never thought I would be so pleased to see your face. Been kind of lonely out here. Where's everyone else?
Old mining camp, back up the hill.
Huddled around a fire, waiting for Daddy to put food on the table. Said it before, we got too many mouths to feed.
Well, we got a few less now, so you should be happy.
That ain't fair, Arthur. I earn my share. You think it's unreasonable to expect others to do the same?
So, this house. You speak to the people there already?
No. Like Dutch told us. Look, but don't talk to no one. Just following orders. You know me. I'm a good boy.
Right. How much further?
Not far.
What does that mean?
Not far.
Thanks.
Collis go bhfuil iad san déal le chéile. Tá tuairt an chéine
Oh,
réidir
goddamn, this snow
díadach leis
gets
go
right
mí
to the bone.
gachaiad iad TV. Farach gin rutfeg mar Last of Us díadach a thuh bhí i marcach éich tran sneach go San mór an daine an cuairtí tíad. So we dáchas actually a navies gon jan sin mías je The Last of Us. Mar sin a tín gan a VC. So Red Dead a mías snursin.
Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay, let's head down there.
Okay, slanches. Good. Here, yes. Mission castle. Level the inner portions of the castle.
Let's hitch up here.
Okay.
Let
Jay,
me
I'll
do the
have to
talk.
stand here.
We don't want to scare these folks.
Derach arach gyn ac o'n mwysio. Avarice autumn.
Sounds like quite the party.
You two,
Katie
get
had
yourself
all-
out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Micah, hide behind that wagon. Arthur, you take that old shed on the left and stay low, both of you.
Kan file.
Arthur, take cover in that shed over there. I said the cattle shed, Arthur.
Ga door,
Arthur,
kus de
what are you
shed.
doing? I said get out of sight.
Shashin.
Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem. Folks, there's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans
body
of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
I think you should now, buddy. Over there! More of them! He's in here!
Watch out! One up top in the window!
Ready for it!
You sons of bitches!
One of them's making a run for it. Arthur!
Cabela. Iba con Cabela. Shinshin. Oofed.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here! Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, don't bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
I'm gonna come out with one of this on YouTube. Yes, this will go up on the YouTube. Headshot at YouTube. I was mentioning noch, I think tonight. Sure. I guess at YouTube ha video and dachan noch kujach, I guess streams dachan noch. And also on the YouTube there are bilingual videos and bilingual streams as well. Sure.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, whiskey.
Beans. Shout out, go.
Oh, I'm starving. We should
Yeah.
eat something now.
Then
Get
you
your strength
have
up for the ride back.
jail is Life is Strange. Okay, give me the yeekus me. What? Canned sweet corn. Sorted biscuits. Canned peaches. Baked beans. Okay. Give my Frank. Hey.
Big old pool of blood on the floor here.
I saw.
Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right.
Stuff.
Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Okay, yeah, Swiss.
I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking.
Oatcakes, yes.
Grab anything you think we can use and meet me out here.
Cartarh ortha darach. Shouldn't ghearán acham drastach. America got premium cigarettes. Booyah. Dollar. Shinja fast danach. Okay.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
Niet barn Dus ja, je let er al tight bekken aan. Dus je gaat staan hier. Ach, wat dat er.
Bastard shot my cut! Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck!
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me!
Oh, did he now?
Nee, wist je iets.
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please.
Get the hell out of here. Go!
Gaat wel maat. Zie?
Whoa. Whoa. Easy. okay. Easy. You're okay. You're okay, boy.
Sheen. Cash. So mis muint go bhfuil sin féin blasad iad coiride fis ruúta bhís na farstin gearrma seo. Sapach.
Yeah. Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
Seolta
That looks like a
agus
decent
bhí
horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over
marcach
there, Arthur.
ruúta mar sin nach. Agus a féin blasad.
Micah, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Oh, look what I found in the cellar! Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Micah. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool!
Yeah.
Miss. Now, it is going to be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Okay. Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's
Well.
okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs.
Not Irene.
He was my husband.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler. Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Okay. Sin is George can and a clinistún sú é seo. Solace. Woohoo.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello,
Agus
Arthur.
dodach a díist.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, He may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're all... Yeah, we're pretty worried about him.
I know. If the situation were reversed, he'd look for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Minnelas go Jacob fans of this Karen and Toshach Toshach Shaw that were more than cutscenes out and it's then Gisha Niskialach. I mean, Dawkins could fight
Hey, I see some
become
smoke.
Sursa.
Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Level Ilage, Lenting Gujagan.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
I mean, you don't tell it
You were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. And suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Watch out for this crevice. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Tracks go left, down here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Cinematic view.
Bad business, all right.
I mean, if you the lava and a clock here or something.
Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
Spent a vision nas female nu det här sölslarna kring
Careful, it's getting narrow here.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there.
Come on, full kilo this week.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Double mach, such as the Donetsk.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us. coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
Lash gan ya.
Getting that gun then?
Use our sidearms. Sawed-off shotgun. Okay.
Come on.
Shotgun. Is kan wel in. Is wel sinne dal wie klachtje aan se jerf. Drach huiig aan se wel heen.
Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Yep. Corner.
Careful. There's a drop here. Watch out here.
Cymra hasyn dal hun i'r ash so
Watch your head here.
Cos go siop yma Cass
Okay, from here.
Watch your step. It's real slippery.
Stay close to the wall.
Okay
Up here.
Cymra I gich mi rydyn
Come on.
mi erig
Gap here. Hey,
Oops.
stop that. We don't need to be attracting attention.
Merach gyda sy'n Myro fi ffyr hyn rhi hefi ein arach Wyt ti'n ffyr hyn rhi Ieg y chlach gyda'r sana Lws ac o'n stamina
Damn, it's cold.
Fast loch yn sio
How you doing?
I'm miserable. Been a tough few days.
I know. Here. Take a drink of that.
Thanks.
Am ich
Designed
dich
for
da,
us,
zieh dich
you know.
nicht gut.
Let's keep moving then. Come on. John!
Marston, you hear me?
John Marston a hawn.
John, where
Zijn
are
je
you?
geen John?
Marston!
Wat een hier, gamer.
That's John! We're coming!
Down here! All right! Hot down, Marston!
East.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Yuck.
Never thought I'd say this, but good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
En heel down in jail at Arstead.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre.
The game illa akin. Hans wel correct in that free of character.
Well, we can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
Sure you did.
You alright?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
En we dachten nog heel veel in Koshach. Gebraag, helaas. Gevaarlijk.
Look up there.
En nu in. Naar die alley.
You head for the horse horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
All right, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse.
Alright.
We're getting you out of here. Draw them off us, Arthur.
Hey, back up!
Got 'em all. Good work, Arthur. Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
Tell him really be. Hi Njana. Obviously, and yet me. For jail. Nara, Dunya. Ach, I should really get an assassin again, shit. And again, my computer, Navi.
Come on then. Let's get back to the others.
Ali shot
You'll be
fell
fine.
in Sarjay.
It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella? Got bit by a dog. Died. An hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Just tell him.
More coming down the hill.
Okay, have it.
Get out of here! Look out on the right! You got more wolves on the left! Get the hell out of here! Get the hell out of here! Get out! You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus.
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent.
He had filmed
Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know,
we're
gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving. Then we're getting eaten to death. Ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there.
Oh, shut up. Okay.
Easy.
Never mind.
John! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? I need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas. It's his leg.
Oh, come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
You got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that? That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Mogul.
Strauss. Eentje nach. Wel, gewoon nog eens een oele hietje. Oh, Herbie.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
So what now, Dutch?
We get strong, we get warm, and we wait. When the storm breaks, we move. But we're safe here. Warm enough.
I guess. You sound doubtful.
Sin is tal nu is game hin a tarsút
We've shot at before,
option
Jose.
and
I don't feel that this is honestly anything new.
is na fachlan eich gin an a dói has salir.
Bad luck. But then the storm covered our tracks, so now we wait a bit and we go back to Blackwater and we get our money or we get some more money. And we...
Nicht. Brief. Checklist. Oh well, gadur me het should niet just.
We're heading east.
Oh, I should niet nog. So I get to Jano.
For now.
Want ik hier het verse, Ach rid. Mi sidig. Sha. Mi gael risk wel autosave aan. Or gaan jullie folish raheen. Karen Katjen Savlin in Gemme. Nimi Google Beckers in het raaste. Hier schif geweldig net een mag is hier Jen Gemme again doen is. So shouldn't stage kies je goed te gaan vatten. Zo ha en Gemme Shaw. Als je net uren hietje een gloeig. I guess als je een mag is hier ja. Hot menu, story, and hit X. Shouldn't back in the end with it, Hollish. Okay. Story. Save game. Kersan hij falach. En je shouldn't really ten a kill rassen. Well, I shouldn't have can't in that playing geschach gemacht hier. So stock and a hele bulloch gaf had I should. Okay, well shouldn't akov Toshach Red Dead Redemption 2. Shocking Arsht. Morantang Inkheart Tangers and be Melkutjach. So thanks so much for watching Inkheart. Good to have you here. I'm heen kutjacht alle stad aan de hinnach a gaartje. Agus hi mi in na hech gynju. Agus sin go hiet level, hiet vision aan Red Dead Redemption. Ja, Girach zo'n kut naar geine. Overs gewelsin ook gleiche Red Dead Redemption 2. She gevel Starnaway Quebec. Dal goerst fiach alappe ans vies ha roing so piano stornewer en het topper worden op een en het benetje aan de injunish alles aan een glassige so merelship is ticket ik ga nog cast volinje ha alles gewillig de richt komma agus komishin yarn en ik ga na hech kan kliche bekan evarach Red Dead Redemption ga ach gaan noorschen en dag is geweldig ik moet slaan een saveltje snelijn aardig hasha alles maar saist kumov out of ik klikje cheers het raste